Consuming just 1 tablespoon of olive oil each night can trigger an irreversible physiological response in your body. And by the end of this exploration, you'll discover exactly why this ancient remedy has transformed countless lives. As a nutrition specialist, we are constantly fascinated and motivated by the tremendous effects that certain natural products can have on health and on solving long-standing problems. Among all these options, olive oil stands out remarkably. Without a doubt, this oil offers numerous health benefits that you need to know about. Olive oil has extraordinarily remarkable potential, my friend, so join me in this exploration to discover the full range of benefits brought by this precious substance. At the end of this investigation, you too will be amazed by the profound impact it has. What's more, I will provide the ideal amount to use and define my preferred method for integrating it into my evening routine. This video has been rigorously designed for authenticity and contains exclusive information that is not included in any other video about the benefits of olive oil. Rest assured, it has undergone thorough preparation over several hours. Moreover, we will analyze specific medical conditions that may require careful consideration or complete avoidance of olive oil. So let's begin. First benefit: olive oil improves digestion in remarkable ways. Ingesting a simple spoonful of olive oil before sleeping can have remarkable effects on your digestive system. Olive oil is a natural substance that promotes the functioning of the digestive tract, facilitating the smooth movement of food through the colon. This not only helps prevent constipation, but also improves the efficient absorption of nutrients. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil support the maintenance of gastric and intestinal mucous membranes, thereby reducing the risk of ulcers as well as other gastrointestinal problems. By incorporating this simple measure into your evening routine, you can wake up feeling lighter and with a calmer stomach, ready to start your day on a positive note. Second advantage: olive oil reduces hypertension effectively. Adding a spoonful of olive oil to your nighttime routine can have a substantial impact on regulating and reducing blood pressure. The main reason for this benefit is primarily due to the high concentration of oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat that has been extensively researched for its positive effects on cardiovascular health. Oleic acid contributes to vasodilation, thus promoting better blood circulation and reducing the pressure exerted on arterial walls. Moreover, olive oil contains a large amount of polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that further enhance this impact by promoting arterial health and reducing inflammation. These molecules also help regulate nitric oxide levels, a crucial molecule for the expansion of blood vessels. Consistent consumption of olive oil not only promotes overall cardiovascular well-being, but also specifically helps maintain ideal blood pressure levels. If you're enjoying this information so far, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing health insights like these. Your support helps us continue bringing you exclusive wellness content that can truly transform your health journey. Incorporating this simple dietary supplement into your daily routine can constitute a natural and effective approach to combat hypertension, thus improving your long-term cardiovascular well-being and reducing the risk of heart disease. Olive oil has a profound impact on improving pancreatic health remarkably. This substance, known as the golden elixir, helps control the synthesis of pancreatic enzymes essential for the digestion of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Olive oil promotes the proper functioning of enzymes, facilitates digestion, and supports pancreas health to avoid excessive strain. Regularly consuming a small amount of olive oil could also help reduce inflammation of the pancreas, which is essential to avoid diseases like pancreatitis. Olive oil, due to its high antioxidant content, offers a preventive effect by preserving pancreatic cells and potentially reducing the incidence of pancreatic cancer. Olive oil possesses antibacterial qualities, making it an effective natural agent for maintaining your health. Consuming a spoonful of olive oil per night could serve this purpose effectively. Olive oil contains a variety of phenolic compounds, notably oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, which have been scientifically proven to have strong antibacterial activities. These compounds show effectiveness against a broad spectrum of bacteria, specifically targeting those responsible for diseases of the gastrointestinal tract and respiratory system. Oleuropein, for example, hinders the proliferation and reproduction of bacteria by altering their cell membrane. This process effectively prevents the onset or exacerbation of diseases significantly. Moreover, these phenols possess antibacterial properties that effectively attack gastrointestinal tract infections, thus promoting a balanced and healthy microbiota. Regular incorporation of olive oil into your diet not only strengthens your body's innate immune system, but also helps create an environment less favorable to bacterial diseases. Incorporating this simple supplement into your evening routine will significantly strengthen your immune system by protecting it against bacterial risks and promoting overall health. Beneficial for gut health, adding a spoonful of olive oil to your nighttime routine can greatly improve your intestinal health. Olive oil contains a large amount of polyphenols, which are natural compounds that nourish the healthy bacteria in your gut. This not only promotes the balance of beneficial microorganisms in the intestine, but also improves the integrity of the intestinal barrier, thus protecting against inflammation and gastrointestinal disorders. Olive oil possesses anti-inflammatory characteristics that can effectively soothe the gastrointestinal tract, minimize discomfort, and promote an optimal digestive environment. Consistent consumption of olive oil can have a significant impact on maintaining good digestive health and preventing typical digestive diseases. Consuming a spoonful of olive oil before falling asleep can potentially decrease the occurrence of gallstones. Olive oil facilitates the secretion of bile by the liver and gallbladder, essential for the breakdown and absorption of lipids during digestion. Thanks to olive oil, it helps maintain a constant flow of bile, thus preventing the accumulation of bile that can lead to the production of gallstones. Moreover, studies have shown that the presence of oleic acid in olive oil can effectively reduce cholesterol levels in bile, thereby reducing the risk of cholesterol stone development. Consistent use of this simple yet powerful natural remedy can thus help preserve a robust gallbladder, making it a valuable addition to your bedtime regimen. Improves bone health significantly. Consuming a spoonful of olive oil each evening can play a crucial role in bone consolidation. Olive oil contains polyphenols, compounds that have been proven to increase bone density by promoting the proliferation and maturation of osteoblasts, the cells responsible for bone formation. Antioxidant compounds effectively protect bone tissue from oxidative stress, which can weaken bones and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats present in olive oil improve the body's ability to assimilate calcium, an essential mineral for maintaining bone health. Incorporating olive oil into your nighttime routine is not only beneficial, but also a preventive measure to strengthen your skeletal system and mitigate the impact of aging on your bones. Improves cognitive function remarkably. Adding a spoonful of olive oil to your nighttime routine can present substantial benefits for brain health. Olive oil is appreciated for its abundant monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which are crucial for preserving the integrity of brain cell membranes. These lipids are essential for improving learning, memory, and cognitive functions. Moreover, the powerful antioxidants contained in olive oil, notably vitamin E and polyphenols, offer neuroprotective benefits. They help reduce the effects of inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases, including Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Regularly consuming olive oil not only nourishes your body, but also strengthens your intellect, improving overall mental acuity and lifespan. Stimulates metabolism effectively. Incorporating a spoonful of olive oil into your nighttime routine will significantly improve your metabolic rate. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, including oleic acid, recognized for its ability to enhance metabolism. This implies that your body has the ability to transform food into energy more efficiently, thus contributing to effective weight regulation and maintaining high energy levels. Moreover, these beneficial fats improve the body's response to insulin, ensuring efficient glucose metabolism and promoting stable blood sugar. By integrating olive oil into your nighttime diet, you are implementing a simple measure to improve your metabolism, thus facilitating a more harmonious and energetic daily existence. Optimal dosage of olive oil before bedtime is straightforward. Incorporating olive oil into your evening routine is not only beneficial, but also simple. The optimal recommended amount is only 1 tablespoon before going to sleep. This quantity is sufficient to enjoy the positive effects on your health without causing excessive strain on your digestive system during your sleep. Whether you choose to consume it directly or pour it over a small snack like a piece of whole grain bread, including this amount of olive oil will greatly enhance your well-being and promote peaceful sleep. Now let's redirect our attention to particular demographics that may require caution or complete avoidance of olive oil. Olive oil is renowned for its countless health benefits, but it may not be suitable for everyone. First, people suffering from gallbladder disease may experience discomfort as olive oil has the ability to promote bile production, which can aggravate gallstone situations. Moreover, people suffering from irritable bowel syndrome must exercise caution when consuming olive oil due to its high fat content, which can potentially cause symptoms such as diarrhea or constipation. Furthermore, people suffering from diarrhea should abstain from consuming olive oil due to its purgative qualities, which could exacerbate their symptoms. Moreover, people suffering from severe acid reflux or GERD may discover that olive oil exacerbates their symptoms due to its high fat content, which has the potential to relax the lower esophageal sphincter and thus increase acid reflux. Additionally, people who are prescribed warfarin or other anticoagulant medications should exercise caution when consuming olive oil due to its potential to thin the blood. This can potentially interfere with the effectiveness of their medications and increase the risk of bleeding. People at high risk of heart disease should seek advice from their doctors to adapt their fat consumption accordingly. Although olive oil is generally beneficial for cardiovascular health, individuals belonging to these specific categories should seek advice from health specialists to fully understand how olive oil may affect their particular health problems or dietary needs. This will allow them to make informed decisions regarding the inclusion of olive oil in their diet. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more health tips. Until our next meeting.